Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Microsoft Dynamics for Business Solutions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring Microsoft Dynamics for your business solutions, first, log into your Microsoft Dynamics account. Verify that you have the necessary administrative privileges to make configuration changes. Navigate to the Settings area, which is usually found in the main menu. Select the Customization option from the drop-down menu. Click on Customize the System to access the customizations for your organization. In this section, you will see different components such as entities, attributes, and relationships. Start by reviewing the existing entities to determine which ones you need to modify or create. To create a new entity, click on the Entities node and then click New. Fill in the required details, including the entity label and plural name. Define the primary field for the new entity, which will serve as its unique identifier. Set the ownership type based on whether the entity will be owned by users or teams. Once the entity is created, move on to Customize Fields by clicking on the entity name. Add necessary fields by clicking on the Fields section and selecting New Field. Define the field type, such as text, number, or option set, and label it appropriately. Configure additional settings, such as field requirement levels and searchability. Next, establish relationships by navigating to the Relationships section within the entity. Click on New Many-to-One or One-to-Many to create relevant relationships with other entities. Define the relationship, including the related entity and the display name. After setting up fields and relationships, proceed to the Forms area. Select the main form for your entity to design how it will appear to users. Use the drag-and-drop interface to add fields, sections, and tabs to the form. Once satisfied with the layout, save and publish your changes. Next, go to the Views section to set up the different views available for the entity. Create new views or modify existing ones to determine how data will be displayed to users. Filter and sort the data appropriately according to your business needs. After configuring views, consider setting up business rules to automate certain processes. Navigate to the Business Rules section and click on New Business Rule. Define the conditions and actions that will trigger automation within your entity. Once the business rule is created, save and activate it to ensure it takes effect. Finally, test your configurations by creating a few records in the new entity. Ensure that all fields, relationships, and automation perform as expected. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.